So today I'm going to draw hair with charcoal pencil. Well, I already have done few hair drawings with graphite, but I never have tried with charcoal, so I searched for the charcoal pencil, but I only got this. So I went to the market to get a new one. I'm back home and here is the charcoal pencil. But before start the shading, first I have to observe the reference. So here is the light, highlight and shadow portion. Okay, let's just jump into it. Okay, now I'm starting with the base layer and धीरे धीरे मैं layer add करता जाऊंगा until I get the same value as the reference. And I'm also using a makeup brush for blending. So as I expected, I messed it up a bit. That's why I searched for some charcoal drawing tutorial on YouTube. Okay, अब मुझे थोड़ा बहुत knowledge हो गया है कि charcoal को use कैसे करते हैं. Let's move on to the shading portion. Now the shading portion is done. अब मैं जो भी highlights हैं उनको टॉम्बो मोनो से ऐड करूँगा. As you can see, now the hair portion is done. I am moving on to the clothes and shading start करने से पहले टेप कर लेते हैं क्योंकि इससे ज़्यादा शार्प एजेस मिलेंगे. So the work is done. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you haven't seen the previous videos of this channel, go check them out. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. For now, enjoy the review.